It's from a news story that was out there a while back, about a year or so ago. But we decided to have a little fun with it. So if you recognize it, great. If you don't, then we'll explain afterwards. All right.
Just ask your neighbor.
Or ask your neighbor, or ask somebody else. Okay. Well, I knew something was wrong when a pretty little white girl ran into a black man's arms. Did give away. Did give away. Well, my neighbor got no sense at all, 'cause we see this dude every day. He brings things we do, but we didn't have a clue that that girl was in that house. She said, please just get me out. Did give away. Did give away. Well, she opened the door, you could get in that way, but you couldn't get through the door. So we kick the bottom, and she comes out and says, there's some more girls in that house, you better call 911. And they called him up at the McDonald's. Well, I knew something was wrong when a pretty little white girl ran into a black man's arms. They give away. They give away. They give away. They give away. Well, I knew something was wrong when a pretty little white girl ran into a black man's arms. Did give away.
Oh, Charles Ramsey.